Turning your engine, 11J249. Turning good. The front engines looks good, as you can see. Compressor look nice. Altimeter, compressor without any damage. As you can see, altimeter looks good, and on this side you don't see any damage. Look as well on the gearbox, everything nice. And on this side, engine's looking good, all windows in good conditions, without no water inside. And on the top, all connectors and injectors looks good. On the bottom, oil sump without any cracks, no leaks. And turning your engine, 11J249.